Hey everybody, I'm making this video for those of you that don't know much about Mercedes and maybe don't understand why anybody would want a Mercedes over lots of other cars. And I'm going to show you a few things and a few features why I think the Mercedes infotainment system and just the interior in general is like light years above a lot of other manufacturers. It's been a while since I posted. Most of my posts have been on a Mustang that I previously owned, and with the last year I had a Mercedes A35, and now I purchased this GLA 45, used of course, low mileage, and I'm going to show you why I really love this vehicle. And a lot of it is the infotainment system. I'm just going to quickly go through a few features, not the whole thing. One thing that they do light years above everybody else is there's so many different touch points on this car to scroll through your screens. They make it super easy. So you've got your thumb buttons right here, which I can change this infotainment screen over here with just the thumb button on the steering wheel. I have the mouse pad right here, which makes it super easy while I'm driving to scroll through everything. It's really nice. I can without looking down, I can just scroll through stuff while I'm driving. And then you've got the main cluster right there, which you can do so much customization, it's ridiculous. So this is the Super Sport screen, but I can change the center layout. Then I can change the left side layout. And I can change the right side as well. Let me get over to that. So you can customize it so many different ways, endless ways. Then, if you want to change screens, you go to your home button, and I can change it. I can add navigation to the middle or the sides, trip, all sorts of stuff, music. I can change gauges if I want. I can just go to the Sport or Classic. Sport looks like this. Then I can go over here and I can start configuring how this looks. Lots of different ways to configure things, and I love it. I could spend a long time in here just playing around with this and configuring stuff. And it's fun because it's almost like driving a new vehicle. Every time you get in, you can change them gauges to however you want, however you like. And there's a few other gauges. I'm not going to go into everything. I'm just giving a quick video of what's neat about this vehicle. And then on this one, I've got gauges on the steering wheel as well, where I can change my modes. So Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, race, and you can do it right here from the steering wheel. You can also do it right down here. There's a hard button for that as well. And then I can change other thing, dynamic modes over here. So if I'm in Sport Plus and I don't want the Sport suspension, I can change it to Comfort suspension. You can just customize it a million different ways. So super cool, super fun. I love the interior layout of these cars. I love the ambient lighting. You can change those colors. You can see you can do a multicolor where it's gauges, or I'm sorry, vents one color, and then another color for the accent. Or you can just make it all a single color, and just so much stuff you can do.